Hi friends, this is Jo with jjFinds&Designs. It's the first day of the 12 days of Christmas DIY, okay? I have about 5 minutes before all heck breaks loose when those kids walk in, but I wanted to do our first DIY real quick. So we're going to do a kissing ball, okay? If you guys don't know what a kissing ball is, it's just a big ball of like greenery that you hang from a string, okay? We're gonna do it on a dime. So I went and stopped at the dollar store and I grabbed all of my items. The rest I'm just gonna pull from my house and pull from outside. So I quickly ran outside. I am going to do a boxwood kissing ball because I feel like we can reuse it throughout the house. Right now we'll just put like a little red, poinsettia on it and a little bow of some sort. And then we can take that off and like use it throughout the year because these are gonna dry perfectly. So what you're gonna need is a glue gun, okay? For all 12 of these DIYs, you're gonna need a glue gun. So if you don't have one, I'll post one, prime it, get it the next day, 2 days later. I went to the dollar store and got this foam square, and we're gonna just stick the boxwood stems into this square and we're gonna make a ball out of it, okay? Now, if you wanna use a ball, go to the craft store and grab a ball. But Mama didn't have time to go to the craft store. She only had time to go to the dollar store. Plus I had to get all my stocking stuffers for the boys at the dollar store. So this is also fantastic, this twine. You get 3 of them for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I have this everywhere. I can literally swim in this twine because it's all over my house. So you're gonna take some twine. This music isn't too loud, y'all, but it's Christmas time. I wanted music playing in the background, okay? Nothing like a little bit of music. Okay, so I'm gonna take a big loop. I am going to knot it because I'm gonna stick this in here and glue, okay? All right, I'm just gonna stick it right there in the middle. Let me get a pen, hold on. Okay, so you're gonna poke a little bit of a hole right here in the middle, and that's where you're gonna stick your twine in. You're gonna fill that bad boy with glue. So that we can hang it, right? So I'm so excited that you guys are joining me and that you're excited for these DIYs because I wanted to do something to give back. This is always fun. This year I decided I'm going to give or make gifts for everybody. So I love making body care, skin care, ornaments, different things for the house. So I think everybody this year is getting something DIY if I can find the time. Okay, I love adding a little bit of glue to each stem. So I'm gonna put the bigger ones in the middle, okay? Because you're gonna try to make a ball effect. And so I kind of want, bigger into smaller and bigger. This may end up looking like it might end up looking like a oval. That's okay, right? So I like to add glue to the end so that it ensures it does not fall out, okay? Now, this is gonna look so cool. It's gonna take some time, but it's almost therapeutic. Just to sit here, use some boxwood into this foam. It's mindless. Sometimes we need mindless things in our life, especially right now. So if you can find the time, even wait till after the kids go down to do this project because it just instantly just slowed me down. I literally just walked into the house, I was locked out. I had to go around the back, had to find the, extra key. I got an offer from the neighbor. Do you want to come inside for some hot cocoa? Was it hot cocoa, Jenny, that you were offering, or some baked chicken? What was it? All right, so this is gonna take some time, and I realize that. So I want you all to go and gather this greenery, okay? It doesn't have to be boxwood. It doesn't have to be boxwood, but I feel like boxwood is so versatile. It could be pine, okay? If you want to do a pine ball, do a pine ball, okay? It doesn't have to be boxwood, guys. I just wanted to do boxwood so that you can use it, okay? So I'm gonna finish this up. Then I'm gonna take some more video on how to do it afterwards, or what to do next. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I finished it. It took a little bit longer than I like, because I like my quick DIYs, but it came out awesome. I mean, it's not perfect, which I love the fact. Say hi. Hi. My children are home now, so you'll hear them in the background, but it's definitely not perfect, but I kind of like the fact that it's not perfect. So this is what, stop, go away. I'm finishing up my video. Go finish eating, please, and I'll give you dessert as soon as I'm done. Okay. Bye. Bye. Hopes. Bye, people. Okay. Awesome ladies that are doing DIYs tonight. Okay. So, love the fact that it's not perfect. I love that they're all just swinging out from everywhere. I think I'm gonna fill in a little bit more, but I wanted to show you how this turned out. So, I'm literally just gonna put a bow right here and maybe add a pine cone and possibly a little poinsettia on the top. So I wanna show you, somebody was asking me on how to do bows. I'm no bow expert, but let me show you how I do it. So just take a big piece of ribbon and I just start off with one loop, and then I just add another loop, okay? And I just push them together. You see how I'm just pushing them together? No rhyme or reason, just kind of pushing them together, just like that. Okay, let me start over real quick. Okay, so here's this loop, one. I always like usually making 4 or 5 loops. There's 3, and there is 5. Okay, so you take all 5, and you just squeeze them together, and then you tie the bottom just with another piece of bow. Okay, so I just take another big piece and I just tie it. And then I cut these ends down. Okay, so you can see this little piece is hanging off, but then this I just kind of spread out. And this is the ribbon that has, oh my god, see I messed up. See, this is real world. Real world, y'all. Okay, one more time. Loop, 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 and loop. Okay, there's 4 loops there. Then my son's dancing over there. He likes Christmas music. Okay, so then I just tie another piece at the bottom. Okay, see? And then I just spread this out. And it has the wire in it. Okay, so this is, I love using ribbon with wire. And there you go. So then I'm just gonna attach the 2 pieces that hang through this twine and pull it down to the bottom so that it kind of looks like that. Nice. And then I'll just take the ribbon off for, everyday use. But at least I'll have the big bow there for now. Yeah, guys! I'm gonna cut this piece off, okay? So how about that for our first DIY of 12 days, a kissing ball. I'm gonna add a couple little details, maybe down here, maybe not, maybe just a little pine cone here and there, but how cute is that? First one of 12, 11 more to go, guys. Stay tuned. I'll take some pictures of you, for the final look. I hope you guys like this. Stay tuned. There are some awesome ideas I have coming up. Okay, take care. Have a good evening. Bye.